Your front door is more than just an entry point to your home. It's the first thing visitors notice and plays a significant role in the overall curb appeal of your property. In a city like New Orleans, where distinctive architecture and unique aesthetics are valued, having a stylish, secure, and functional front door is essential. If your front door is outdated, damaged, or no longer providing the security you need, it may be time for a front door replacement. Replacing your front door not only enhances the look of your home but also significantly improves its security and energy efficiency. In this article, we'll explore how a new front door can elevate the aesthetic appeal and security of your home in New Orleans, ensuring that you get the best of both style and protection. Improved home security. Your front door is the primary line of defense against intruders, and having a sturdy, secure door is crucial for the safety of your home and loved ones. Over time, doors can weaken, warp, or become damaged, compromising their ability to keep your home secure. A new front door made from high-quality materials like steel or solid wood offers better protection against break-ins and weather-related damage. Strong locks and hardware. When replacing your front door, ensure that it comes equipped with high-quality locks and security hardware, such as deadbolts, smart locks, or reinforced strike plates. These features make it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your home. Solid construction. A well-constructed door, whether it's a steel door or a solid-core wooden door, offers better resistance to forced entry than older, hollow-core doors. These materials are more difficult to break down, providing you with enhanced peace of mind. Hurricane resistance. In New Orleans, where hurricanes and tropical storms are a concern, choosing a hurricane-rated door can add an extra layer of security. These doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, protecting your home from the elements. By opting for a more secure front door, you're investing in the safety of your home and family, ensuring that your property remains protected. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. The front door serves as the focal point of your home's exterior. A well-designed front door can make a dramatic difference in how your home is perceived by guests, passers-by, and potential buyers. Whether your home features a traditional New Orleans style or a more modern design, your door can complement your home's overall architectural theme. Style and design. When choosing a replacement door, consider the architectural style of your home. For example, if you live in a traditional New Orleans Creole cottage, you may want to select a door with ornate details, such as iron accents, glass inserts, or arched designs. If your home has a more modern or minimalist style, you might prefer a sleek, contemporary door with clean lines and simple hardware. Customizable options. Front doors come in a variety of materials and finishes, from wooden doors with rich finishes to fiberglass doors that mimic the appearance of wood. You can also add decorative touches like stained glass, transom windows, or side lights to make your door truly unique. Color and curb appeal. A new front door offers the opportunity to freshen up your home's exterior with a bold color or modern design. Whether you choose a vibrant hue to make a statement or a classic neutral tone, a stylish door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Replacing your front door with one that complements your home's style will not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also increase its value, which is especially important if you're considering selling your home in the future. Increased energy efficiency. In addition to security and style, your front door plays a significant role in your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those that are warped or poorly insulated, can let in drafts, allowing cold air to enter during the winter and cool air to escape in the summer. This can lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. A new front door can help improve your home's insulation, reducing drafts and keeping your home more comfortable year-round. Many modern doors come with energy-efficient features, such as insulated cores. Doors with insulated cores, such as foam-filled fiberglass or steel doors with thermal breaks, help to reduce heat transfer between the outside and inside of your home. Weather stripping and seals. High-quality weather stripping around the edges of the door helps to seal gaps, preventing air leaks. Low-E glass. If your door has glass panels, consider upgrading to low-E glass windows. This type of glass is designed to reflect heat back into your home during the winter and keep it out during the summer, further enhancing your home's energy efficiency. By upgrading to a more energy-efficient door, you can reduce your energy consumption and potentially lower your monthly utility bills. Durability and low maintenance. Older doors, especially wooden ones, can require regular maintenance, including sanding, painting, or sealing. Newer front doors, particularly those made from fiberglass or steel, offer low maintenance options that stand up to the elements without requiring constant upkeep. Fiberglass doors are durable, resistant to dents and scratches, and don't warp or swell like wooden doors. They also don't require repainting and are easy to clean, making them an excellent option for busy homeowners. Steel doors are strong, secure, and resistant to weathering, rust, and rot. They provide long-lasting durability with minimal maintenance, which can save you both time and money in the long run. By choosing a low-maintenance door, you can enjoy the benefits of a beautiful and secure front door without the hassle of frequent upkeep. Increased home value. Replacing your front door is an investment that can increase your home's value. A stylish, secure, and energy-efficient door makes a positive impression on potential buyers, showing them that you've invested in the quality and longevity of your home. According to industry experts, front door replacements offer a high return on investment, ROI, particularly in markets like New Orleans, where the appearance and function of a home's entryway are important factors in attracting buyers. Conclusion. Replacing your front door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's security, aesthetic appeal, and energy efficiency. Whether you choose a classic wooden door, a modern fiberglass option, or a secure steel model, a new front door enhances your home's curb appeal while offering better protection against the elements and intruders. If you're ready to upgrade your front door in New Orleans, consult with a trusted door replacement professional to find the right style and material that complements your home's unique design. With the right front door, you'll not only boost your home's value but also enjoy a more secure, comfortable, and attractive living space.